Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you copy or duplicate an ad in your Google Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to copy or duplicate one ad in a Google ad campaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and using Google Ads, you know that sometimes one specific ad is going to work really well. So you want to go ahead and copy in a different variation. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to copy or duplicate one specific Google ad, not the entire group, not the entire campaign, what you're going to do is here on the left, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to open up this menu right here, campaign, and you want to click on ads. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two boxes at the top, and you want to go ahead and choose the campaign that holds that Google ad. Okay, next you're going to see this third box pop up. Go ahead and choose the ad group that's holding that one specific ad. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the ads that are in that specific ad group. So just to be clear, it goes campaign. Underneath campaign are ad groups. Inside ad groups are various ads. So you can see this particular ad group only has one ad. And in order to copy it or duplicate it, all you're going to do is click on the little box next to the ad. Once you click on the box, you're going to see this blue line pop up, and you want to click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to click on this copy button. Okay, once it's copied, you'll see this little black pop-up down here, and you want to click on that same edit button again. Here's the edit button. Okay, now what we're going to click on is click on paste. Okay, next, this pop-up's going to happen, and they're going to ask if you want to paste this into any other campaigns or ad groups. If not, it's automatically going to use the ad group that the ad came from, as you can see right here on the right. I'm not going to add it to any other ad groups, so I'm going to click on. Okay, next you're going to get these options. Do you want to pause the new ad after you pasted it in? Usually I'll go ahead and do that because I'm going to be making a variation anyways. And once you're done, go ahead and click on paste. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to copy or duplicate an ad that you have in a campaign in Google Ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.